Hey, yeah, Port Harcourt. Hello. My name is Fred Amata, President of Directors Guild of Nigeria. I dare here to tell you to keep watching Wazobia Max TV, Port Harcourt.
This is Tony Akboshori, Nollywood film actor. Keep watching Wazobia Max Television.
Welcome back to the Good Morning Naija show. Yes, and of course, in a Friday entertainment that we will do today. And I tell you when you first start before, say, if I be you, I go stay till our top 3 segment because we bring very delicious guests today for the show. And right now, she cack with me for studio. You need to meet our guest this morning because you know if you mention Nollywood without mentioning her name. You know, if you mention 5 people from Nollywood without mentioning her name, and then start the industry, and she's still there. Very beautiful, correct movies back in the day, True Confession, Glamour Girls, Izaga, Rituals, even then, many correct movies, Conspiracy, Confusion, I will go on and on. Because even myself, I'll be fan of this very, very great woman. And I'm happy because yesterday we celebrate International Women's Day. So today we celebrate a great icon, Nollywood icon. I'm going to introduce her to you now. Evangelist Mrs. Liz Ameye, popularly known as Liz Benson. Good morning.
Good morning to you,
yes,
my dear
Okemunte. Welcome to the Good Morning Naija show.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure.
I pleasure will speak for you.
Not be small thing, don't mind me.
So how you do? How you do?
I did campaign.
How you enjoy
for where they call on top.
You did where they call on top.
Yes.
I like I don't learn that one now. And I go tell our viewers now too. When somebody ask you how you did, make you say I did campaign. I did where they call on top. All right, and don't forget, say if you watch us live on Facebook, if you need to move, facebook.com/WazobiaMaxPH. We did it live now. And of course on Twitter and Instagram too. We did wait for your comments and your contributions on the program. So straight, because if I get plenty of things to talk about, and I hope the time will permit us. Yes. So Liz Ameye, popularly known as Liz Benson.
Formerly known as Liz
Okay,
Benson.
formerly. But I was also used popularly.
This one too go popular.
Later me go popular.
Now so God tell me.
Now so God tell me. So we'll
he say not born me as Liz Benson. Now he make him happen. So the same God where they make things happen, you go still make this one happen by God's grace.
Yes, definitely. So we're Evangelist Liz Ameye with us here, and most of us grew up. They watch your movies, and when I read, you start to act from the age of 5. But then Fortunes, the soap opera, and then we'll say person blow, and then you take blow with the Fortune soap opera. But how I feel like starting to act from that very early age, especially when we not get the kind of industry we get now.
You see, when God don't give person something, now so they take do him. Now he know everything. That thing where they call destiny. Now God know. Now he know from the place where you start. Now he know how we want to take end. So I start at a very tender age, and outside that, I still remember, say, even for church, those days, you know, children's, departments, and even they present drama and all that, and even for school. So the thing now just waiting God just give us, you know, somebody like myself, give me. Like they tell people, so I say, you don't get person where God sent to this world, you know, where you know put something inside. Now just for you to know what it be, even if you not come out at the age of 5, somehow you go still come out. So now God take do am, and then you talk about say person come blow. You know, so now they talk
yes,
now.
Person
come blow. We struggle, you know, but thank God for God where they make person blow, because now the grace of Almighty God. We don't do stage. We don't do for stage. That time where I still did with where I did with Nantap, I still did with Nantap. You know, that's the National Association for Nigerian Theatre Arts Practitioners.
Okay.
You know, we did for stage. Then I was also a member of what they call collective artists. we dey do drama for that for stage those days.
So that's why it is start.
The things, plenty way we do. Now, so I like theater because there, you know, they relate one-on-one with the audience. Yeah, with the audience. So they trip me well.
And that will not mistake anything as you did on stage for them.
You must get it right. God must help you to get it right.
Definitely. So we'll go back now. You know, growing, like I talked before, most of us watch movies when you feature in. In fact, once person see your face for fame, they say this is not a film one person, you know, needs to watch. But towards the end of the 90s, early 2000s, we're not going to see you for movies again. Read interviews, of course, for different reasons why. I'd like for you to tell us, you know, why you could take that break when you take from acting for that period.
Thank you very much, my darling, beautiful Okemute. You see, like I talk for, you know, I talk small so before. Say, now God, now no person destiny. Even though say we still get part to play for waiting for happen for the destiny. And even if that's something where you know, like, you feel still tell God, say, Baba God, I don't like this one, maybe you help me change them. It's therefore inside the word of God. Say, if you don't like, can you change them? So, but now God still do them like that because he don't know how he wants to do something. I want to believe that God carry me, put for inside the movie industry in a kind way so that he go fit can't use me even later.
Yeah.
So now the thing will can't happen. You don't they use me, they touch people life. Like you they say, like you just talk, say, okay, when they see film, say at the inside, people go like to watch. Because those kind of films, then maybe then get message, they get the kind of story where go relate, where people fit say, okay, this one just be like something where I fit take learn, you know, how to live life and all that. So, but now he won't make her know the real thing will be the wisdom of the creator, which be the word of God. So now he put me for there. And now he still talks, say, time don't reach. Oh yeah, come now. Come use my word, take do one.
Like to remold you.
Yes, so now be the thing. And then waiting person they do for this world, waiting we can't do for this life. Now just to do the glory of God. And I thank God, say, God see me as I dirty rich. Still reach out, catch me, say, come talk about my word, come carry my word. So now the grace of God, now I do am so. And so when those things they happen, I still they very active, but I'm not there for waiting that they call spotlights.
Okay. So you're not out there where people they see you.
You understand? But I see they work.
Okay.
I see they work because people see they see me. The places where they go preach, you know, I preach. I don't go around the whole of this country. I don't be politician, but I don't work out the whole of this country. I don't enter the time where they burn churches for Kano. I did there. I don't preach for there, preach for Meduguri, Jalingo, everywhere. But everywhere, I don't go there. The south or east or you know, get where even outside the country. So if people know they see me for this TV, this box, so you know me say I still know the work. But to God be the glory. God still give me small grace for them. We still they do small things, you know. When he give me time, when I know they travel, because I they travel a lot, you know. When you say we be evangelists, now waka you go waka. I still do my morning cry. You know, every other time when I have time, I go carry my megaphone
to preach.
See waka for where we they stay, for you know, where we get our ministry, for the town where we they live, so for Delta State. So God still they do work for my body, but it's just that you know go to see me now, but the time goes soon reach, you know. But for those where I still they see me small for the small things where we they do something don't happen now where we say I won't make you see me plenty.
Before we go for that one when
so
it just
now it happens. So
yes.
now, as it take happen now, they tell you so.
Okay, no problem. And before we talk about what just happened now, I would just like me just tell us briefly how you could compare the industry when you first start and now, this 2017, 2018.
Oh my God! I think if he gets one place, one industry for this country where God truly show in faithfulness now for entertainment industry as a whole in general. Because this na place where them been done write us off completely, you know. That time nobody they take us serious and you know, things just they get now we where they carry the passion, they know say this thing
to make
we
things
must
happen,
get time, we must do and where we must here. But you know, the general society know they take us like that. But I thank God for those where God see they use, where take them taste time. The industry is a lot better now. Better in what is being churned out technologically. the things don't improve. We don't know how to use, we sabi use equipments now. We sabi how to plot better. We sabi how to build our stories better. We even sabi the business side of the business.
Yeah,
of this
business.
The business side of this business. So that make we not be like people where they go market every time. When they go market, at the end of the day, we don't get anything to sell for inside market. You understand what I talk? So God don't try well for this industry. And I want to thank all the people where they there. The people were there in front of the screen and the people were there for behind the screen. And I want to tell you, kudos to those behind the screen, because people know they see them for house. But these people now then they walk past. So I want to say God bless them richly, and God bless every other person that is where they help, where the productions they come out. The thing it don't blow. And I thank God. And I thank God. We get professionals, people who really they put their brain and their heart to work.
And their expertise.
Their expertise. Their expertise. Now be the brain now.
Definitely.
The expertise. Now be the brain. You know, people that want to research, they want to make things better. They research, not just say they go to school, but they research every day. They're trying to, then they try to put better things inside so that make the soup for sweet. Well.
All right.
So it's a good thing. It's a very good thing. And we thank God.
So very soon we'll talk about waiting, waiting just come outside now, because me, I don't experience them too, and I get plenty of things to talk. But we'll talk about your stay generally for Port Harcourt, how you go bait the city.
Port Harcourt now my place now. So this now where they call, if you never know before, this now when they call Garden City. When they grow up those days, at the end it's a Garden City. But I don't see Garden City. I don't come here. Of course, now for here now we they do some of the work. We do some of the work what we do for Port Harcourt here. So I don't come, and the Port Harcourt still day nice. Even day nice where we're now. Everywhere don't find. If I don't come fit no road again. I nearly one loss. I nearly one loss.
So enough development don't take place for the state.
Yes, a lot of developments. A lot of developments. I must say kudos to
the governor,
the governor, and his beautiful wife as well.
Of course,
and then the general people of
River
State who have really tried to appreciate what is on ground right now. The place is wonderful, it's lovely. When I'm talking about appreciation, means let us try and maintain what God has given to us. The roads are there now. Let's try and keep it clean. Let's try and make it the true Garden City, that people knew it to be. And I think it's even better now than before. So I don't enjoy myself. I like and say I see the place, as the place day, fine, everything, road safe. Not with small things. Sure.
If you compete with other big cities when you don't visit before.
Yes, favorably. And I'm sure that we can still, get better.
Yeah,
get better than this, So Port Harcourt is my place. It's my ground.
Okay.
It's my ground. So full ground remain.
She full ground remain. You don't hear that one already. All right. Still, the top story segment will still continue. And right now, we'll talk about the work when you come do. The latest one now, And before we talk about how, we need to play the trailer of the movie. Make people, when they watch stuff, when they first see them, they won't come back and talk about the film itself. So right now, we'll go take a small break and we'll play the trailer of the movie, the work we want to discuss today. Me, I don't experience them too, and it makes sense.
I have good news for you guys. My company just got awarded a multi-million naira contract in Port Harcourt. And guess who has been chosen to spearhead the contract?
I smell war. With who? With your mama.
Let us pray. Oh, our Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food. Give those who do not have appetite, give them appetite. For the destitute, oh, our Heavenly Father.
Mommy, I'm late for work.
Yeah. It's me, baby! baby! Live in the flesh! What's going on?
How is your girlfriend?
Hey, it's fiance. They went on to get me an apartment, so I have to move.
Move to where?
My new apartment.
How are you enjoying the new house? Cool, until 2 days ago. What happened? His mom moved in with him. It's not funny. His mom will not kill me.
It's young John. I have never heard of a grown-up man like you sleeping with his mom on the same bed. The sound of it turns small. What are you, a child? Did you sleep with her?
I said I didn't! I could have if I wanted to. Is she actually of the opinion that you do not talk to your exes? Or is she just upset that your mama took Rosanna's call?
In the night, get up down for you.
How you doing?
I just got in from Paris tonight.
I think this might well be a bait to ruin your relationship.
Oh my gosh, not everything is a bait. Hey, get off! Are you out of your mind? Where are you going? What is wrong with you? Where are you going?
Go back to your son. Better still, go back to your mother.
Is there anyone here who has any reason why these two should not be joined as man and wife? Speak now or forever remain silent.
I do.
Mommy Dearest. And our Mommy Dearest of that movie now, of course, Evangelist Liz Ameye. So we'll talk about that movie now. Now, like your most recent work, that won't be Mommy Dearest 2. So we'll do the one before, because one over makes sense. We'll do 2 again. By Willis Ikedum. So I see the movie yesterday evening, and I must say, I enjoy them. I like the story, now drama. I laugh plenty times. You know, when mommy they pray for people who don't get appetite, may God give them appetite too. Make sure you give them appetite. You know, and of course, the major challenge of all of us call the shout for cinema now. Like one more Jesus. So you act the role of jealous mother.
Not be small.
For the movie Mommy Dearest, yes. You know, overprotective mom. You know, so what make the role interest you to take them up?
Because most of the time when we do film, now say message good day inside, message must stay inside. So I see the message there, and even I say, so women they do this thing, they don't know say that they do more. They know that they feel say that they protect their children, and they feel say, I must not, I not go leave them, make it just go like that. They know. Now the emotional build up. And you see, this woman, a woman, we don't, get husband again, don't lose her husband, so husband don't die. So the only thing we can see, and maybe what thing they see for the pikin body, so this boy, now only pikin. What thing they see for this boy body, maybe not the man, the husband, so. And so, deaths don't come, me I look am deeper than waiting with the see. So, the deaths don't come take the woman husband go. The only thing when they see, now when he hold, now this one.
Another woman won't come.
You understand me? So, another woman come enter. Now talk of one now. Before you know go fit just carry and go like that.
So for what you talking, I mean say because when people get the belief say most mother-in-laws they're wicked. It's not because they really want wicked, and because they protect their pikin. So unintentionally they call the interpreter and say wickedness.
Somehow, you could say they are those who are wicked, and I mean, I think wicked is just when a person decides, when a person knows what is good and decides not to do that which is good. So make we know to attach to that side. But the thing where they for this woman, and I think most women, we say, then they overprotect their children. Especially when it be say they get the only son or the only son. She has other daughters other children, daughters. But it can't be saying, now this boy, now she gets. She they look and say, this one now my eye. Hey, this one I go keep on here. Any woman we won't enter, he must come to me first before he go enter. Me and I not go lose my picking. Attention. And then again, she wanted attention.
Okay, yes, from the movie I see that one too.
She craved
attention
so seriously for attention.
So she can even go out of her way.
That she did not even know when she was hurting the girl, you know, the son's fiance. And you could see at the end of it all that she was remorseful about it.
Okay.
You know.
Yes. So we'll see answer more questions about this movie,
Okay.
Mommy Dearest. We'll go back very small break and we'll come back again with another bonge guest on set.
All right, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And you know, say I've been Naija born, where they live inside Naija, we understand Naija. And you know, say as a Naija person, if we want to get fun, or we want to see entertainment, or we want information, we know they do it for halfway. They maximize everything. Now, the reason why I talk, say, I know they joke with my Wazobia Max TV for Port Harcourt here. You dey hear me, so don't touch that dial. Increase the volume. You watch us.
How far, my people, is 2SEC. Delta boys, you know we push hard on a lady when we labor. Let's go. Follow me solo. Follow me solo. Follow me go solo. Yeah, man, right about now, keep watching Wazobia Max TV.
If you love me one, you go love me two, you go love me 10, no. Hey, you go love me 10, no.
My people, how on a day? Now your girl Annabelle Sugar, aka Okoso my baby. If you know say you love me one, you love me two, and you love me 10, keep watching Wazobia Max TV, Port Harcourt. Thank you.
Oh baby, what I'm missing? We shall love anyway.
All right, welcome back to the Good Morning Naija show. Top tourists today on Entertainment Friday. And you know, we get Evangelist Liz Ameye with us for the studio already. We talk about Mommy Dearest, the movie. And you see the young man when they say come Port Harcourt for the movie, when Kote Mama say he don't get a new job. Now, one of the stars of the movie too, and he did live with us on set right now. Daniel, award-winning actor. Welcome.
Thank you.
To the Good Morning Naija show.
Thank you. They say you come Port Harcourt. You come Port Harcourt, true. You did Port Harcourt.
So you come Port Harcourt, call work, and you don't really come Port Harcourt.
You don't really come Port Harcourt.
So we talk about the movie Mommy Dearest, where Evangelist Liz acts as your mama, and then you and be the son. When mommy love too much.
Hey, mommy give wahala.
You know, the love more affects the relationship. I see the movie, I really enjoy it, drama and everything. What do you think about the role when you play? Because your fiancé for the movie, they call you mommy's boy, mommy's boy, mommy's boy.
It's itself, eh? Anyway, I agree to now. Good morning. You know, the movie, I like the movie well. And this is not the part 2. And they say if something no day good, you know, go do them again. So now because people like the part 1 well. A very good drama story, family story, funny, you know, people feel relate to them, you know, mothers, sons and everything. So now you make the part 1 do well. People like it well. Anywhere where I travel, people go say,
Mommy
that
Dearest.
your film, Mommy Dearest. Liz Benson. Una to do that film too sweet. Now you come make us director say, okay, make we do part 2 for them. You know, make we end that well. Make we give them this thing. So we can't do the part 2. Me, I play Chijoke, the son to our Mommy Dearest.
And that's what you role when you play now.
So he did. My mama they disturb too, so the thing, you know, it dey close to waiting the happen for many people families, even for my family. So
so now personal experience for you.
You go take small personal experience, you know, add that with your other things to make the thing they believable. So true. I enjoy the character I play. I get many sisters. Now only me be the boy, so my mama no dey gree me rest. Any small things, they go say na her son she want. Anything happen na her son. So the film sweet well. Me I like him. I watch yesterday for the premiere.
I watch him and I enjoy him too. You face any major challenge when you interpret your role? Yes or no?
Yes, now small challenges must be. You don't get anything where you do, we no get challenges.
What will be the major one?
It will be the major one. I don't go. You get small challenges
when
now.
To our Mommy Dearest, you may face any major challenge when you interpret your role?
Just like you said, with every production, every movie set you are on, there are always challenges, but you learn to overcome.
All right, so the movie now we shoot on Port Harcourt fully.
Yes.
We see Port Harcourt locations,
Choba.
You know, a couple make me see Port Harcourt in a different light. Say, really fine past where we live with the things. You know, but how you go rate the movie industry for Port Harcourt? It come on.
Did they do, Mommy? That me?
Yeah.
Well, they do well, though.
It's doing well. It's doing very well. And talk of Willie Sekedum doing a premiere of this movie, yesterday. I think that was just a groundbreaking one.
The turnout was very good.
Yes,
turnout was very good.
Yes. It's doing well. It's doing well.
I've shot about 3 movies in Port Harcourt, and they're happy whenever I come, say, it was 3 cinemas there here. People don't learn to go cinema to watch Nigerian films. So and they shoot Nigerian film here for where people like Willis and other producer director where they do give opportunity to actors, you know, to do their thing for here. So it's coming up. It's good.
So what be the biggest lesson from the role when you play to people when go watch Mommy Dearest?
For me, Mommy Dearest, now what they call feel good movie. It's a feel-good movie. It's not meant to be comedy, but of course the drama and everything between the mom and the son, everything will eventually give you some small comic relief. So for me, it's in a film where everybody feel watch. Right from grandmama, great-grandmama,
the whole family,
to the pikin where they born today. My mommy, they talk yesterday. They say, no get part where go reach you say, okay, make you cover the pikin eye, or make you cover the pikin ear. It dey very in a family story, in a story where everybody go enjoy. It dey very educative. It dey very entertaining.
So, Evangelist Liz, you don't talk well before about how, yes, now some women, they will protect their sons, and they cause some kind
and they know
K-leg for the relationship. So what you go say be the biggest lesson for mothers to go watch the film?
That mothers should try not to be overprotective over their sons and should just learn to counsel, but leave them to live their lives.
Make it trust that the work when you don't do since you go start to the show now when they don't grow up. Okay. All right. So because of time, we need to end our conversation for here. But see the stars of the movie Mommy Dearest 2 by Willis Ikedu. You need to go watch that film. I watched them yesterday.
Because
from today, 9th March, you don't they show for cinema.
Mommy Dearest 2.
My Port Harcourt mommy, Auntie Winifred, everybody, we carry our family, go watch Mommy Dearest.
Please.
So show support.
All those who love us.
Yes, so.
Time to show your love for your favorite stars, Mommy Dearest 2. We will break for the show for here today, and I'm going to leave you with a word when Evangelist Lee start with. You not get anybody when God creates and not give gifts. So you need to find that gift and make the most of them. Thank you to all those when watch and those when they behind the scene. On Monday, I will show again from 8 to 9:30 on top the Gudu Morning Naija show. My name now, Kemuti.